Good morning students. Welcome to Summer Camp Creative Activities Army Public School Tibri. I am Chetan Sharma and today I am going to explain some Vedic mathematics tricks. So students, in today's session we will perform division of given numbers by using tricks from Vedic maths. And you all are familiar with the concept of division, that is, division is the method of finding how many times one given number called the divisor is contained in another given number called the dividend. And the number expressing this is called the quotient, and the excess of the dividend over the product of the divisor and the quotient is called the remainder. So, in this session, firstly, in first trick, we will learn division by 10, 100, 1000 up to so on. So the first example is 164 divided by 10. So students, to divide 164 with 10, we simply discard as many digits from the right side of the number as there are zeros in the divisor. So, the number of zeros in the divisors is only 1. So, the number so obtained represent the remainder and the remaining figure of the given number is the quotient. So, in answer 164, the last digit is represent your remainder and 16 represent your quotient. Let us take another example. 729 divided by 10. So in this case there are only one zero. So in answer, the last digit represent your remainder and these two digits represent your quotient. Okay students, let's check division by 100. So take an example, 8439 divided by 100. So, in the divisor, there are two zeros now. So, how we can write the answer simply? From the right side, these two digits represent your remainder and these remaining digits are your quotient. Is that simple? So let's take another example. 7949 divided by now 1000. So according to this rule, how many zeros are there in the divisor? 3 zeros. So when we write the answer, last three digits represent our remainder and this digit represent our quotient. So these are the rules to divide a given number by 10, 100, 1000 and up to so on. Let's check division by 5, 25, 125 up to so on. So how we can divide a given number by 5? Let's take an example. The first one is, we have to divide 127 with 5. So in this rule, firstly students, when we divide a given number by 5, simply multiply the given number by 2. Now multiply 127 with 2. 7 2s are 14, 1 carries, 2 2s are 4 plus 1 5, 2 1s are 2. Okay. So after multiplication with 2, the answer obtained is 254. Now the next step is, in that case when we divide 127 with 5, so firstly we will do multiply it with 2, and these two digits represent your quotient, and the single digit remaining divide it with the 2. So when we divide 4 with 2, the answer is okay. So we can say that our remainder is, so this is the trick so that we can divide any number by 5. So second question we will let us suppose we have to divide 3259 with 25. So in that case of 25, we have to multiply it with 4. Now when we divide a given number by 5, we have to multiply it with 2. In case of 25, we have to multiply it with 4. In case of 125, we have to multiply it with 8. So multiply 3259 with 4. 9 4s are 36. Carries 5 4s are 20 plus 3, 23. 2 carries 4 2s are 8 plus 2, 10. 1 carries 4 3s are 12 plus 1, 30. So this is 13036. Now we have divided this number with 25. So these last two digits, firstly you can skip it. The quotient is 130. So our quotient is 130 and remainder. So remainder is not 36. So firstly we have to divide 36 with 4. Why? Because we have multiplied it with 4. So 36 divided 4 is 9. So the remainder is 9. So similarly, these steps, you can use these steps to divide it with 125 also. After that, the next trick is to division by 9. Division by 9. So when we divide any given number with 9, what steps are we follow? So first question is 8569 divided by 9. So in this case, firstly write the number. So the number is 8569. So draw a vertical line such that number of digits on its right is equal to the number of 9s. So how many number of 9s are there? Only 1. So from right side only skip one digit and draw a vertical line. After drawing a vertical line, rewrite the remaining numbers. So what are the remaining numbers? 8, 5, 6. So we can rewrite these numbers like 6, then 5, then 8. Now repeat this step again. Rewrite the remaining number 5 and 8. Then repeat this step again. Rewrite the remaining number, that is only 8. After rewriting, then add these numbers. So 8 plus 5, 13. 13 plus 6, 19. 19 plus 9, 28. That is carry 2. So always remember write carry on the right side also, carry 2. So 8 plus 5, 13 plus 6, 19. 19 plus 2, 21. So carries 2. So 8 plus 5, 13 plus 2, 15, carries 1. So 8 plus 1, 9. So the answer obtained is 9518. So this is our quotient. quotient is 9, 5, 1. But the remainder is not 8. Always be remember the carry forward from this place to this place are 2. So remainder is 8 plus 2 carries. That is equals to 10. So this is the way by which we can perform division by 9. So thank you students. God bless you.